What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide your following list. In order to do this guys, there's few things to note. You need to have a private account. So if you're currently using a creator's account or you're currently using a business account, then you will need to switch back to a personal account. And as you can see right now on this profile, I'm using a business account and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that you want to do is click on your profile on the lower right hand side, that image there. And then from here, you want to click on professional dashboard underneath your description there at the top there. Then from here, guys, you want to click on the gear on the uppermost right hand side. Then from there, you want to scroll down to preferences. And then at the bottom, you want to go to switch account type. And from here, you will need to switch back to a personal account. So after you switch back to a personal account, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to switch to a different account. So let me go ahead and change to my personal account here. So once you're in a personal account, guys, all you have to do, just go ahead and click the profile on the lower right hand side. Click the burger menu at the top right hand side here. And from there, you want to scroll down to where it says account privacy. And if you look right across there, you can see that my account is private. So if you're in a personal account, you want to come here, tap on that account privacy, and you want to turn on private account there. So once you turn on the private account there, guys, what's going to happen is that you're now able to keep all your following lists private. And that's the best and easiest way how to keep your following list private, right? So what you want to do, if you have people in your contact list that you don't want to see your following list, all you have to do, just find those followers that you have and you want to search for them in the list and you want to remove them from your list. So very easy stuff. So all you have to do, let's say you want to remove this person here, I just need to click on remove and then click remove again, and that person will no longer be able to follow me. And from there, once they try to view my account will be private, and then they will not able to see my following list. So that's the best and easiest way how to do it, guys.